Yeah.
Na ke thomo ira music ne ke sna PC, ne ke sna computer.
Okay.
Yeah, so I had to ira music ko mapentane.
Oh, yeah.
So mapentane sometimes ke ya go no busy. Badlala li TV game.
Oh, yeah.
Na go ba betcha ka tsona TV game. So ne ke sna computer.
Okay.
And le go join the was khona buy la computer at that moment and all blind.
All blind, yeah.
So I had to ira music ko mapentane. Ke write di CD. Ke na go la di CD.
Yeah, sa write
yeah. Ke write di CD. Ke khona re ka computer ka re lo ma 7 clip ka na go tsela tsa ka. So I had to ke buy di CD ke khona re ka computer.
Kaleri pusa re batla go tsana go pala kane la go bangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na botisa kaleri pusa re batla go tsana go pala kane la go bangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na botisa.
Hello, hi guys, it's Bundengese here. Re buile via Scamto podcast. Remember, Scamto stisetsa ke Sly J Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. This is what I always say every week. Gore bona go tshwaretse bona kaofela ba ileng gore ba nahana le ba ileng gore nya gore ke batlise mo go tlisetsa bona. And also this podcast and this episode is sponsored by Pure Drip. Pure Drip ke steel ne ya ke sona ke steel sa LM. So thank you so much Autiaka for sponsoring ka metsi wa bona no re sa itshwerinyana ka tse pele mara he ntse re tlhatlhanyana le polelo ro detox wa bona re renyana metsi because metsi a health metsi a important mo life my one erge bona la batho ba ngotle ba re no a tlhoke introduction but motho ho respecta Spanish sa hae wa tlhoka introduction. More bolela ka legend when it comes to music wa Bacardi. He re bolela ka batho ba ileng gore ba thomile Bacardi. He re bolela ka batho ba ileng gore ba na le influence mo Bacardi. He re bolela ka batho ba ileng gore ba understand gore Bacardi entle go itse keng. Re tsene ditabe. Dada man, metro me how are you?
Thanks.
Omnat. I know 100% the man. I know, re dumbetse mo. Wa itse keng re chitsi pethela ke moya o monate plus no ke sama pila ke re banong. Dumbetse ka mara September monate re alright a bone ra berle membo re moya o tsene bi. So metro me, just introduce yourself to our viewers. Ba bolelle hore Dada man ke Dada man re tla molona a re le tlogela ke nyaka o ba felelo sa le rateng le
wa khona le yang
es bar me jobi
hola
oh yeah
so guys le re mo o tsatse ke tlhalosa re ke nna mang mo paseng
da
wa fetho gift mashaba ke na le bitso le loane
a ona la English
lo na la gift
oh gift oh ona la Setswana la Zulu la Tsonga
ke le loane fela gift
ona le la ke na le English ke le nya ke le mo le fitileng
ba re ke ba bana mo
ke le nya ke le bitso le ke story for another day okay ar dumbele street mo ditabeng ibile re so senya nako metšho mo music specifically Bacardi ne now ke nya go re itse re boele ko morao from Kozgela ke I rather question it because we need to understand sometimes re khadilo mo moyeng batho ba hodile but we don't know gore ko morao ba tlhakae dilo tse di motivate le ke eng you know so I just want to know gore wena growing up ke ngeng no nya go ba yona vela no ntso nya go ba artist or from Kozgela no nya go ba something else and then wa kopana le music along the way
gore music e pila go wait
so
la bona o ile selo se gore vel no sa sna so kana so wela ke so wele mapentana o tlhaye o ngiretse music e pele on sorry kana go tsela tsa mo Java
oh yeah
so gore o tsene mo Java pele wa tla mapentana so e ke utla mapentana ira sound ka re no nga mo lokisa somewhere
oh ka mo kobolanya
ka yona na rata ira dipina tsa instrument
okay
le bo gistro
so
ka re no man mapentana itseng una le manyora ka mo flaga ma melody mo kapa ba tla dipina tsa opela why not re sa bete dipina tsa opela
yes
wa bona so mara ke re tsena mo la ke mo guide go re guide
ya
ke ka mo khoketseneng ko music
mara wena beno before music no nya go ba o itse Kozgela ko primary le bana le question tsela tsa dom tsa rona go ba ngo bola a o itse lo re bila lawyer le lepodisa or di etsang pila-pila o no itse gore lepodisa le tshwara sethunya le tshwara ditsotsi fela you know so wena o gola no nyako ba eng pila-pila apart from music
lepodisa
why do you go ba lepodisa besho
no nne ke bona gore mo kasi na le crime ntši
oh yes
tshwara so it's all lepodisa o khona o thusa batho ka di-crime lo abuse basadi o ntshwara o khona o thusa all lepodisa so ya ne ke lebeletse gore e seng ka thusa mo community wa ba ke le hard.
Okay, fast forward to you starting this music journey. How to mo industry? How about the challenges?
Yes.
You know, so what are some of the challenges tse leng gore o kopane le tsona how to mo industry and then o ditse le tsona bjang o fitile bjang mo tsona?
It's a buyer.
I told me more hotle.
No, ke thoma mo ke thomileng mo teng wa ntshwara.
Yeah.
Na ke thoma ira music ne ke sna PC, ne ke sna computer.
Okay.
Yeah, so I had to ira music ko Mapentane.
Oh, yeah.
So Mapentane sometimes ke ya go no busy. Badlala li TV game.
Oh yeah.
Na go ba betcha ka tsona TV game. So ne ke sna computer.
Okay.
And le go join the was khona umbayila computer at that moment and all blind.
All blind, yeah.
So I had to gira music ko Mapentane ke write di CD. Ke na go la di CD.
Yeah, sa write
yeah. Ke write di CD ke khona re ka computer ka re lo ma 7 clip ka na go tsela tsa ka. So I had to ke buy di CD ke khona re ka computer. So ya ne le challenge ya e kholo mara ka re selo ka serata.
Yeah.
Ke khona reacha daizaga ela ke khona buy computer.
Yeah.
So mara ka enjoy music wise.
So let's talk about your first song that you recorded. What was no inso ra bona mo kapile ane day. Ke film jo. Ya mathomo. Ke itse ke tse baya so mara ke nyakela ya mathomo. O sa ihopola mara.
Ya mathomo.
Yeah.
Or ngiri la ke re na pila ke tlhagira di beat.
Okay, yeah.
Ya ke beat maker. So ke bethile sigubo. Gonzo. Yeah, so ke bethile that track. So track la ke beta. Na ke already go utlwa re monate ka mara studio.
Yeah.
So ke try fa batho. Ke magetse batho ba mpotsa ka yona track la left and right.
Trenda
blind. Ba mpotsa re ntho ya bolaya. And I remember kana go ila khale ya rena na go ila re thakwa no sna social media. Pina no sna ro ga isa go TikTok.
Yeah, go TikTok
or Facebook
yeah.
Go batho ba irate.
Yes.
Tshwantsho fe batho music ba botsa re
le ba di taxi ba re tshwa.
Le ba di taxi.
Yeah.
So yeah, ne be re ka fela bya. So ke ona pina ya ka mathomo ke batho ba mpuditseng ka yona.
Yeah.
Ra e bona that moment mo wa konopa. Ampha matla lo fela.
So that song we released it as a single or it was an album?
No, Nagoya rena khale o itse nerira. Nerira almost album every week.
Yes.
So I had to read the album every week. Ke rekisitse batho ba di tavern go Pheli, Mamelodi.
Yeah.
Le ana o hat man wa re ke mo gen motswala. Na tla almost every week.
Yeah.
A tla reka CD. Audio ka R100. Le bo mutsi na batla ba le Mamelodi batla music le bo Jefferson. Bo Javas ke batho ba ba bayanya.
Yeah.
Na ba reka music ke batla ba le Mamelodi batla baya music. So ne re album almost every week. So music wa rena re sa drop online.
Yeah.
Ne re no ira re no reksetsa
batho yeah. But Majomi the genre ke tse baya.
Yeah.
You know, the genre ke tse baya. I know re vele re mo Pitori, ne? But now I want to find out from you. I want to understand hore king e you motivate leng hore Bakhadi ke ko ke yang. A bona ke di bona tse dintse ke di bona tse le re ke dilo mang di kwaito di gospel di house bona ke ya go Bakhadi king e you motivate leng hore o feletse o etsa vele Bakhadi focus mo yona.
No, as I said, to re Mapentane ira Bakhadi.
Yeah.
Le nna Bakhadi tla Mamelodi.
Yes.
Bila tla flaga.
Yeah. It's around mo. A ke re no tso hona le taba tse ding ching Bakhadi tla mo Pitori.
Yeah.
And then here to mara tsana ka mara Pitori re khetha pleke e itseng re jumpela kae Mamelodi from Mamelodi Pheli from Pheli Sosha la e utlwa kere like ke nna mo Sosha mara guys le tlhaloganyo re etsa mabjang e dile yeah
so kana go tsela ke na go le a botsotsi ra itlhaba
tsotsi ra itlhaba ta
yeah so majitana ba betha mola bo Gonyola bo Floyd bo Terence so na ba betha da so ne ke rata sound ya bona bona
yes
so na mo Bakading ana motho ke sa yang kwena ke sa ditlang le kwena wa bona ka re ne ke rata that sound to ela ne ke khona na mela ke tlo mo ke Mamelodi go bala go kapa next week ke bolla hape go robala go Nyiko be ke ela go robala go sasasa gore ko rekere gore ke mitile manyora otlhe ba Bakhaji ba tla bo rata ka mene ai bona di manarete so le ka tsego ana le mflopo le nna ba itse rena ke ba etela ke rata sound ta bona ba botsa le joint ya le ne monate mara kana go ila ke le nna ne ke thoma o ila bjana ke je go tlhalwanyo
or eng e etsa mabjang
so lo re ke mite Demkaso a betile Maphete ke mo Porofeta
Maphete ke mo Porofeta
ke mo mitile ka mara studio sa ka
okay
ba ira yona that track so Demkaso ne ke sa mo judge ka ke botsa ka ka Demkaso ke na opela ngo ntse da ke re jo track ya be yes once so Demkaso ke na da opela a re jo ra re tata men ke re ya beta so mara na le Demkaso ra ba close da so mara ka thomo ira dipina le Demkaso
fast forward re tlo bolla ka di-track tse bae tse re tshunne fast forward because I also want people to understand this guys you know the song Pusha Skorokoro Ovi is my car Ford Machangane Wadangale Domba something like that some people don't know hore you are behind that song
why is it
Machum baba baya tsa batho ba ka pina machum pina ela itlile bjang
no pina ela itla ka like style sela na re sibitsa broken beat
yes
no na le 3 step so bila broken beat e no tshwana le 3 step ke gore ke kiki a itsa my straight itsa my tse bumper so ke broken beat so pina ela re e beteng ke la daga na brafa me ba ke crime balance
come on
so ka balana nkotla data mene ke ne gore zame style se so ke tshwere ba fana baka answar are try ke rena ana flop e tla le bona ntshaka answar ata le mapara from Sosha ba tla Pheli answar ke re zama style sona se so aba ira da pina ela re bethela ka mara studio sa ana uthi mo ba ke drusa so ke busy ke ra beat da and then ata ona ke ro itse mo studio rata
vele a gillo tsote
so majida ono aba le ono diamonds ba no to Pusha Skorokoro mara le na mara
ba mo le plug
a ke re mara Pusha Skorokoro no na Pusha Skorokoro ana le da ga make sense ana le ntongwe answer bara ju robot right say ya dide answer ya re ne ya ona
flopo
are re tla bona ambure ke hana hidi mola ka dio ba hidi pina ela answer ka o senyatse ka utlwela majita ra recorda di voice so from there ke re bethile hiti and le bona re ba opele ka Pusha Skorokoro ka rona le drusa Skorokoro ke ba mo eda mola di mane ka mara studio it's like re tlile go jingles so mo eda
jingles
na la easily le ra bang bongola di vocal eda mola jala line ya hao re jingles Jovich so le ena e bile bya go yena ka re ke letse go studio sa hae so mara majita ba ira line ba mo eda for appreciate re berekela ka mo studio sa hae ontswa
now again we still moment denge seng ya di hits ne let's no ke di bona bo maphorisa bo pa bikhupa ke ba bona ke manyana ka bona ne what are some of the hits tse long hore o di tune I remember you once did this other video on social media mo long hore batho ne ba re pina ke ya mamma pina ke ya mamma ka di pina e o itshunne kwena ra so what are some of the hits that you recorded tse long hore batho a ba itse hape hore kwena because batho flopo ya rona batho ba rona ba rata music ba utlwelle music because una le batho ba bantshi mola a ba khona re ba krepile re mara pila motho wa pina e a shumana pina e bethile ke demand hit e ntse ke demand
no as I said ko mathomo ke na hana re nako ile rena khale e re bethile no sna social media tshwana kana le no majita ha ba thapina ba ya social media then batho ba khona o itse
okay khona ke re simbolo ke ma
yes distro ke punchline
yes
yo ke data man so na batho ba ya ba judge ba itse mmereko wa ka which is good
all right
which is good gore ba itse Spanish aka no tenna na ba nkitse after meaning hora re ke ira tsona
that is why director le na re numbers di ana mella kwa go batho ba streamang man
so mara nanga te pia go pele ke sa be Spanish go pele ke yo ba flop so ke appreciate for support le rato le bamphang lona
so we have so many upcoming artists and we also have so many upcoming producers you know ba ilong gore ba nya go tsena mo o mong o bona wena data man o spana le Bobby Cooper data man o spana le Maphorisa for you who spanning le bona batho ba and I'm happy because ke batho ba mo Pitori ba understand the music ba mo Pitori and ba understand gore le ba etsa di piano ba etsa eng ba khadi ke culture I understand so was it difficult for you who spana le bona because o mongwe wa ya ilo kokota and when I don't think o kokotile ke sure ba o latile I'll just get it itletse so o mongwe o nya go ya yo kokota and one thing that I respect about Maphorisa before ibile ke tlo ile bala ke monofale this upcoming Ntona's opportunity you know go studio ngwa lo khona bona bafananyana ba yamba ba sentseng batla you know obafa that thing bigger obafa that opportunity I want so when I working with them and you still working with them even now I mean Maphorisa maloba mo what is a history but anyway and you were there I mean you experienced it you know so working
le nna ka wish one day bakhadi nka ibone ile da wantsa real person
tladitse stadium bakhadi tladitse stadium
gore bona o nyiwa thata mara ya tla re sa
we're going there ne working with them how was it for you I don't think it was difficult but how was it for you
was para le Hortman was there homonate like gore into khalo you wish selwa ngate bona ke le da ke spana le manyora wantsa ne ba welcoming those guys ba na le rato ne ke sana hana re go enjoy so ke o bola first time ke go Maphorisa ke span mara next
no sa phutulloha no shike o tlwaile
so ne le thabo so
that excitement
re busy re mama go lo molalo monate ke te bona ke le mo khaufi ya Hortman pori and then ke rato le bo Tsitso man
Tsitso ke mo the late
Tsitso rest in peace Tsitso ke na re tsereng nna le anime na re sada ko pori wa bona I don't know ke tsere mapara shi wa bona bya pori ya ra le ndang
Dumbella
mapara ka itse mara sanga ba mi
asanka ba mi because ne ke magitsa o khona le ka selitsi
so le na le surprise go bola mbudzisa re jo wena tata mena lo wakhale rekela ya phusha skoro gore bethile ko wena re bethile ke are mola le bola ile mola thandena tsana le fefe isgela
damn it
fefela go dora so mbudzisa ka fefe o ka ra de mo gore mana are diamond me bala ke tlhalena ko le fefe ke ra sa bala gore tsantsi ke mutlise re tlo apianyana
something
go dora mena wa bona mara it's nice so rekale out this
and you're still working with them even now
even now ke sa spana le
abe no ke thoma ke tsena ko direng ko social media ke bona o phela o le dark no we wa go teng
remember happy a phela le bona a o tshwanno itebala
yes
on tswara tsantsi ke make sure ke pusha spane e ba se sbaya and then re choose mo spane ka remember o ira dipin you never know hit ke
feng yes
so tsantsi o phela o ntse o pusha and then until re drop re fa batho music ka mkhwe ke tlhalositseng go mathomo gore e fa batho music batho ba tlo botsa gore pina e monate ke e monate mara ke rata go botsa le batho ba batho mo ira music or sometimes o ga ira pina ne pina ila na ke rate doesn't mean jinge sa ka se rate so as I said hore if all young artist o sa tla daso ile pina empsha if motho mo ga ira doesn't mean o la ka se rate so what's no wa moya wena if batho music motho mo lo mo na le batho ba hae on so ntsha music o ise go batho so long as wena o e rata
yeah.
ke yona.
So now ar dumbele vie mo raide mo Bacardi.
Yeah.
Oh ya ka wena, I mean you've been in this industry for a very long time.
Yeah,
you know.
correct.
So ho ya ka wena, what are some of the challenges tse long hore pila o ka nahana hore ke tsone tso ka reng di nya go gatella Bacardi or di gatella Bacardi in a way when it comes to the artists tsa mo Pitori or Bacardi vele as a whole? Ke eng challenge e long hore mara o ka re e tshwere di hore e phunyelletse?
Challenge mo Bacardi le di artists tsa Bacardi.
Yeah.
A re bone dilo ka di tlholelwa.
Oh yes.
So and then taba ngwe ke boneng re tlhoka a leader.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. So ona maphorisa ke a leader mo piano. So le mo Bacardi a re ka kra a leader. Wa itse keng mo wa itse re betageng batho ba khono fa motho di flowers tsa hae
a sa pay
motho no o nyoko o tla o ile di hitinyana tse pedi or o ile di hitinyana tsa album
yeah
with the hit fela like what trend but half it like o nyoko ba coach. That's the problem e ke bona mo Bacardi ba lebala hore okay o na di leader ona le batho ba so khale ba pusha ntwe ke bona ba lendana re tla no. So mo state of ba fe mapara di flowers tsa bona ke ntwe ke nana gore
ba feel o ka re bona they are bigger than
yes
the legends tsa because it's a hit
ya bana le problem and problem ngwe ha bo re tshwantse re kopane re berekeng go bana le problem like but if
feel yeah no yeah ba le mahetla yeah no go tshwara ba ba le ntlo ke nna ke nna
di deng ya hore bona ke bona
yeah
and then re berekeng ka ofela bona respect ke yona bona nano khono respect a pore khalanza phusha ke ya go ena
yes
nga se botse pore pore gore mo tla mo unless ena the top a tla mo
yeah
wa ntse tla ba ile blessing but
yeah
batho bo Bacardi ba no tsena ba no ira lo tse dintsi bara I think maybe re ka tlhakana ra ba ntwe one ra tlola jealous tsana.
Yes.
And then right, for example, Sbu and not have a pusha Bacardi. It's too long Sbu are leaders. Sbu are this is the way. This is the way. Are and then Rebonedi Luna go work one.
Yeah.
So you get another problem make you are na leader. Are when you look at one, Baba Banyo go tigira or bona. Kibo. And then I very give ya. Espanya. Logo bolo. Onale
le captain ke one
captain ke one ba mo fa vaya ya ga skill sa hae
yes
ontswa lo re khalanza kora ke le para.
And the funny part di ntho we bolelang go hore for them to release those hits ba lenne from the best ke batho ba ileng gore khale ba le mo industry ke ne se batho ba le you wouldn't even know ka Bacardi. You wouldn't even do Bacardi. Maybe you'll do something else.
Yes.
Well, I understand. So obviously, tshwantse ba lebelle mo kae mo ona magorodi man ba ileng gore khale ba ntse ba le mo industry and work it makes things to be easy for them hore ba khona re ba spane le bona because ba itse hore no we submit under bona. Yes, ra pusha re swere di hit. Yes, now we trending. Yes. You know, but ashiba batho ba ileng gore ba re pivot tsela and then ba sa itshwere even now. Na ke na le ba ba kae? O ke sa mmalang o tla ntshwarela ai hore I can make godimo but mo eleng gore maybe we tshwantse re khete ra lebela re tshwantse re khete leader mo ke bala ba ka nna ne yeah o ke sa mmalang ke lebetse lebitso la hae
asa
itse ya or sexual yeah I itse light fela one so ko ena ke Dada Man ke Any Man ke ashu moletse jo yo tlong kwatela re ke lebala lebitso la hae yang Brian ashu man ka mo Melody Mutsi and then hona le ashu o mong hape o ka re spane le bo Mutsi le ena anke a tlhaela too much maro teng anga tlhaela too much Any Man ke Madila ke
yeah
ashu man anga tlhaela too much dama o ko Melody le ena o bethile pina le Any Man na le pina ngo se le ba e betha ya Pusha Store Mobla ke mang hapo mong ke mo lebetseng ke mang hapo mong ke mo lebetseng okay a ke sure ke mo lebetseng mara nna ar tlwele ba ke ba lebetseng
yeah
ke lebelle mo 4A ya ka yeah I think o mo one ke ena ka tswa mo daideng
ne
yeah
e bilale ka mkhobolelang no re busy re nyego ira di listening session
Okay.
if o tlo dropa re sa kgetholle
Yeah.
gore ke mang
Yes.
o ka ba o mompšha gore wa kgale re tlo make sure re checke gore mapara ke bo mang ba irang sound ya rena
Yeah.
re ba irele ditho tsa listening session and then re thoma lo builda di-event tse tsa Bakhari re tirele
Yeah.
so already re tlhakane le Mobla le Mutsi le Jovejo
Yeah.
ontshwara so le team Dadamene
Yeah.
so ba bang ba re sa tlile wa bitsa and then re bona gore re tshware meeting re bona re ka pusha bjang so fa ka mokgwa e beileng o e beile pele
Ke beile pele gore ke mo teng
ya
ene.
ba teng manyora
Yeah.
already re nyo go ipusha ka moya o moane but remember ona le ba bang ba ka sebe teng
Oh yes, yeah.
just
Yeah.
because of motho a feela gore no nna nka pusha ke
Yeah, nanga pusha ke lo one. Ha nna ke best ke lo one.
Yeah,
Ba teng
so
vele ba bea.
ba teng mo Bakhari already ba re itseng gore fele ba ka se part ya movement mara to zama bolela le bona maybe ba batla bona dilo ka tsela e
Ka tsela nngwe yes.
Yeah, ka re-
Cause ka boshiu ke bona ba yang go social media ba ngwala gore ya nna ba re tswalela mara le malata re no a re batla ka di-excuses.
so re tlhoka gore re batho ba Bakhari re be ntho e one
Yeah, reunite,
Re kgone
ntho e
go
one,
push.
yes.
Ke yona ntho e shotang fela already Bakhari no ya mover ka ditsela tse tsotlhe so re na batho ba Bakhari re ka ba ntho e one re ya cool fela
Moja love, regere. Wa utlwe o e boletse. Something big is coming. Ke khopela when this comes, be le hore re buile ra shoot. I know hore di boss tsa go ba itse ke ba boditse hore bo Dadaman they must be there, bo mama tshwantse ba be there. Because ke bona batho ba ileng hore ba thomile Bakhari ba understand Bakhari. So khopela here boa. I'm gonna make sure na metro.
Yeah.
You know, es ke boletse bile khale before or no. Kwena le ba re ke mang? Cho mapentana. Sorry mapentana. Ne ke mo lebetse le.
Yeah.
Wa bona so ke lebeletse hore man fine we are here and then we're pushing this but na le batho ba ileng hore ke ba bone. Batho ba ileng hore ntho ba itse pila ntho ba tlhalo yona ko morao da. Wa understand? Ke nya gore ba be daso.
Yeah.
Wa understand da hore e bjang. So na machomi ke re ke respect spane sa hao so mpotse no hore ke di album tse kae since o thomile mo industry ke di album tse kae tse leng hore o di releasitse so far apart from o tlo i release no re tlo bolela ka yona yeah no e leng gore tswile a ke tse wa ke re tlotswang e tswileng yeah
no ke na le music mo baya
yeah
it's the album that gets a buyer di ka feta le 500
yes
ka remember ne gira album almost every week
oh yeah ke hopola boletso ne le di betha every week
every week gira album mo ne gira la re ke khono ho bana le something nyana mo potle
yeah
so I had to tshantse ke gira di album every week ne ke sna na go ya hore ke ema mo khoneng yeah ne ke sa eme mo khoneng
ash
le ke phela ke khotla
so ke na le question mara ke nya go ikekanyana so wa bona ke nya gore ke what's it
ke no la question ya teng
wa bona mo entertainment industry as a whole you know whether ke acting whether ke music or ke eng entertainment industry especially whole motho moholo not like bo young men ba sa jola like o tshwara Cynthia o tshwara Jokobete o tshwara Mmabatho o tshwara Phindile like for bona na dying I feel right no they still having fun right one how important is it Machomi to have a partner who's supporting and ke bolela bana because I know hore on a supporting structure but how important is it to have and not only motho mosadi even family you know even family bo mama bo magogo bo mamang the relative how important is it to have a supporting structure as an artist mo family ya hao
it's important thata important thata ka hore if usna motho a supporta mo musicing gore le se music fela le se o rekisa maswitsi motho o rona motho a botsa ngore wa itse ke motho re pila tsela e ke ona bona business e tla hola then na go ngona lo fela moya wa mara I think na go ngwe ya modimo go pele modimo mo if osna mo anyone aga from matla modimo o teng but we important the hore o push something o bana le motho hore o tlo la di battle tsa o stay gore le motho o se bara ka se bolele bjana da mane ke le paro nna ka moitse wena ke tse bolela ka sa ke le fe one tswara so o important thata especially mo family yeah lona le mosadi lona le monna important so yeah na my family and support everyone and support.
Yeah, no, I know. But the questions are not because I get babang abaitsi, I want. So tshwantse ba itse. No or release album tse 2.
Yeah.
Why album tse 2?
Ke na le music on mobile.
Okay.
So music o mong go irile last year.
Yeah.
And the artist ke spanele tsona ba lla ba tata mena drop. So ka bona hore o useless o drop album e one ke na le music on mobile.
On mobile, yeah.
Why not ke sa fa batho music? Ke ta utlwa ga bona re etsalang mara gore ke le music on mobile. Le wena ka mkho tlhalositseng gore ne ke spana go pori. Wa bona re ke di project tse baya bya. So re ke fa batho music.
So okay, let's talk about one album. One album in how many songs?
Yeah, Bakari na le 20 tracks.
One.
Yeah.
So ya bobedi le yona
Ya bobedi ke bola ke 10.
Okay, 10. So in all ke 30.
Yeah, ke 30.
So o release dipina tse 30.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. Ke sure ke di hit tsotlhe ne, but kopela o mfe 5 nyana di favorites tsa hao. 5 fela.
Mo Bakari piano. I don't know is study sila sa ka tseko. So na ke se bitsa Bakari piano. Ke sa itseng ba ba se
bitsa eng ya.
Ka gore ke Bakari piano. Sena le Bakari ka mahare wa ntso.
Yeah.
So ke Bakari ka le piano.
And yo ba le Stemberger o utlwa e bitsa bjang Bakari piano ba le Stemberger. E tlile ka wena ger. Wa utlwa after 5 years o monga sentse re no ke nna ke tlileng ka yona mara anyway. Yeah, so 5.
So ke rata ditshele.
Okay. Ditshelo spanele mang?
Le Pori.
Okay.
Dabi.
Ba ba lebetseng na a di camera di chumile me chumira le ba le no bone ne ke lebetse mapendane ha tla mo sene ne tla ba re ya na wa ntebala so
ya kabele since ke na opela mola.
Okay.
Le Pilato Mr. Pilato ke wa irileng beat ya Birimaru
ya
le ne ke spanele yeah.
Okay.
And then another song ke emonate ka lefura ya yona that ele akha
emonate ka lefura wena don't know
ya ke yona so ke wisitse hape ka 2.0
ke ngele leng monate ka lefura
ora bya
ke ra gore di lyrics tse di bolela ka eng
a o itse motao bela na go pele ke tla di beat go tla mutsi sa ka ke yana Bentley se ke yana opela.
Okay, yeah.
So another song Sosha ngwana mama ke bele ke spanele Nicole.
Okay.
Yeah, ke instrument mo la ke kwa straight. Di dipatsi tsa Dada Man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, uzolo ya hao ebana.
Yeah.
Di tla boa mos.
Di tla boa thata. So di dipatsi ke spanele Nicole hape le simfano ke mangana.
Ke mago. O bole hits. Maro o understand. E jo
ya ke no
wena.
No re bolela ka dilo tse ba.
Yeah. Okay, and then 5.
Cheta 5.
Yeah, o shota ya bofelo.
Cheta 5. Hape ke di rata tsotlhe. Oh, wa shite ba shimo.
Ne ke mo ke tso wise changane se steng man.
Se teng.
Tshwantse se beteng ira mo 5, mo top 5 yeah.
So mola ke na le Demcas.
Okay.
Ke mo forfeit ke na ne ke spana le na beat and then da ke nto na opela mola ke Mamuruti.
Like ke Mamuruti or
ke le bitso la
lebitso la
stage name.
Stage name. Oh, yeah, stage name ke Mamuruti.
Ke Mamuruti.
Man.
Ay na le Muruti wa.
Oh,
So na le Mamuruti hape.
so ola ke Muruti wa, o ke Mamuruti wa.
O ino ba Mamuruti
Fela oh.
A tshwanele o.
Oh, na le teng mo Muruti o one dengese na le teng.
Ke bone.
All right. No, okay. Already mfile 5.
Yeah.
So obviously spanele batho ba baya.
Yeah.
Yeah, na wa spanele na because o fetso kra malobanyana mo gore ke a opela.
Yeah, yes, that's true. Mara I get no busy album ya jingles.
Yeah, no e re be
ke
tse dintsi. Aya na ke teng mo tse baya.
Yeah, mara wethi batla utlwa.
Yeah, no batla utlwa. So now already o spanele manyora, ne? But ke mang o ileng gore o sa lebeletse gore one day e ka nna ba 2 or 1, it's fine. Well, sentse go lebeletse gore ke nya go spana lena.
ga ke bo botlhe
bo botlhe ne
yeah
mara seng ba a kenya ke ba rona ba Bacardi ke re obviously e kamo kenya ka ba le ba etsang genre tse ding like bo tira bjano ka motsena wa ka shopile Gqom Bacardi
yeah nah anyway ke nyaka bereka le batho ba botlhe ya ke kgetholle motho
yeah
remember if ke bereka le everyone profile ya ga
ya hola yeah
so a ke kgetholle motho so yeah pori obviously my lord
yeah
tsa mali yena
one way
album
e tswile di album
ya di tswile
di album di tswile ba di kra kae macho
motlhe Spotify Apple Music and then mabitso a di album
yeah
tse Bacardi Piano
yeah
album ya teng ke bitsa Smange
okay Smange yeah dilo tsa no yeah
012 wa tlhaloganya ke
ke tlhaloganya pila Smange dilo tsa no yeah
ra e tlhakantsha le piano ra ira ntwa sound ya ga tseo le di swa ke bitsa Smange
yeah
and then elengwe ke di kwangwetla yeah ke no ke re wanyiwa ka mara
okay before ke lebala you tsere how long who package all these songs like working on these 2 albums you tsere how long
entering sebaka ke Bacardi Piano ka ra head or ke mix ke sound tempsha ke sound or vela ka itlwaela tshwantse ke mix le Anna Braffen me ba ke essential nna ka marangua so I had hore tshwantse ke travel ke
yeah
ke mixelena but Bacardi ngai mixa ka beke ngai thoma manta ka ifetsa free.
There's a song I get to pinela we intsi na there's a song that I heard re local studio no le busy ka yona man kana ke ngipinela asikhalanyana man ibile ka ba ka dumbela mo yona ka mistake na mo ke tlhakatlhakano te malwa
Fuck up iteng ke number 1
ke number mara la hit tlhakatlhakano ke bona mafaka po out the hey
the was strong
no mara emanyandela ba motse dia fisa
dia fisa di tshore taste emsha ya khale ontswa
yeah
so yeah batho ba tlo enjoy ka mara tsona ontswa
music video nya cause okay ibile ke nya go ibutsa the artists ba ya tsa Bacardi ange ba shoot the music video bontshi ba bona bona go bona mo di music video na tse few mara wena ke na re a ke tsore selo shoot the music video ha ona
no na ke tla ke shoot
o tla shoot ne
ebe ka stop o shoot I remember if you shoot a music video
yeah
santo tlhalle pila as artist yeah because sometimes na go ngwana re shoot ka budget ya go
class yeah
sometimes are na di jo re shoot music video
yeah
I'm sorry are na di aparo tsa chincha 2 or 3 ke le ka outfit la no ga bona ra nna ntho emperekelo
yeah
why not kire music ke tla re di pila ke shoot music video tshwanetse ke shoot di music videos tsa Miami yona ma bash group ela scoop
yeah
di tlhoka music video batho ba na ba sankitse ba khona judge
because I think we also need to dominate on these music channels as batho ba Bacardi.
Yes.
Understand? Because steady dominating thata ke bo di house, ke bo di hip hop, ke bo di Afro pop, you know, we really need to dominate because I believe we have a big platform more TV.
Yeah, more.
Well, I understand. Yeah. If nkabona at least about some 5 clipanyana di pinatsa Bacardi di shiana mo TV. Then I'm telling you, Bacardi, I believe because we need to take Bacardi to the world. And let's talk about Maphorisa and then Lipusha Lebona, you're taking Bacardi to the world. Not only in South Africa, you're taking it outside.
Yeah, and then another thing, go leader. Was leading a molomo, answer.
Yes.
So more to leader like the action indicates. So Baba never batla.
Yeah.
Follow on Bacardi or no. This is the way. Tanto shoot the music video. Tanto a photo shoot.
Yes.
Tanto drop a proper. Arena calling us a drop. So kana go la rena sa konira zaka like tsona kana le no. Yeah. Drop a music wa go Apple Music, YouTube. So rena calling us a zaka.
Yes.
There no ira ka rata music. So no rena ka zaka.
Yeah, no, go ahead. I beg a track wait. Ke track o ka boyo wait. Ke track ya baka. Let's go you tsware. E bolela ke rona let's go you ba ka use. Ya ka record before ba use.
Re record before ba itse ba tla ba u. Ya wana tsa.
Yeah, but I get but it's your fast. Yeah. So on social media heba o nyaka ba o krega. Let's say ba nyaka o booka.
mo tle wa nkry-a Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah.
DJ Tataman mo tle ke DJ Tataman o nkry-a.
One way.
Yeah.
Any upcoming events that your friends should know about?
Yeah, no bona ba ka follow DJ Tataman.
Ba tla bona everything.
Yeah, ba tla bona everything. As I said go morago ka gore no re busy le mauti.
Yeah.
Rap ya something. So and then venue ya mathomo re thoma go jingle se Jovecho.
Yeah.
So at least ba follow ba to
bona everything.
Wa o ira leng wa ntshwara.
And while we're still on that, ka di 11th October ke birthday ya ka ne tla bele Saturday ne ke le busy ke paka line up. He's going to be there. So 11 October ka mo the Palace ka mo tsebe ka mo. Guest house ngwe the blind na le phulu tse dintse massive botlhoko hampe re tla be re le ka daso. He'll be there. So bo botlhe ba ile gore ba tla ba le daso ke tlo ba tlisa before birthday e fitla. So make sure hore wa theoga. Information o tlo ikira ke sure le na poster e tswa o tlo e poster mo and then le tlo kry information e otlhe mo teng or le nna ke poster le tlo kgona re le ikry mo teng. Your last words to your fans and our viewers. What do you have for one? Oh, but before that, re tlo bua mo. A young person that who's watching us now, I don't know, it's again one day Kenya go pusha o tshwana le magrot mane da. Kenya go ipona ke le da so le nna skill yes teng but I'm still growing but I want to see myself there. And hona le ba bang ba ilong hore wa pusha mara supporto e leng hore ona le yona e negative. From Kosgela, from Kojarting, you can sit into your brain, hey, this and that. I understand how yeah. So what motivation can you give to Motelong Ronyako Zena Mobatona Lady challenges?
Believe amonto irang.
Yeah.
And then rapela, on sir. And then to irang, sansui file, pele wena. Ora ira pina kamara studio. Erate pele before rata ke motomo.
Yes.
How we feel? Motomo go kono e feel. So believe mo medimu. And we don't toy ratang. So we will sometimes I only do someone or to
yes.
Okay, what about buyer or not going to late without humita mama.
Yes.
So now say the artist is in Yanibabatang. I need the rain. I need that one about believe a
Monte yes. Oh, and about good Mayona. Hey, because you can believe in something that you're not even good at. Muta believe or abona naka better music and what's a nonsense. So like more straight. Kuri auro okas fetele a minute. It's at home up in auto war 6 years. Yeah. I go tell the day. I understand. Yeah. So believe mutu good Mayona.
Yeah, go Montolo all more good modeng. Believe a modeng.
Yeah.
And then I got a mo pele. Jolo to tiba.
Limonade.
Tiba moro bonsa.
I know. Thank you so much. Your last words to your fans and the viewers, also reminding them about the album that is out already.
Guys, the couple supporting,
yes.
The streaming. If you are going to download the stream at the DJ Tataman 012 Laiti Tsadora, and then shout out to Masadi Agale and my family.
Oh yeah,
for support. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh God! Hey, vocês. Ape o itse ba khona o buka ba o buka batho ba.
Aish, sabele.
Ba blind ba tla o buka yo.
Ba tla ntse le fela ya.
Ya, a rona le mosadi ba re mo nya ko ntona le yena. O nya ko ntona le yena. A re nya ke mosadi o re nya ka wena. Ro nya ko ntona le yena. Mara motho a teng ka boshiu. Ke eno long hore a nya ke hore ba tsie motho wa ha re ba be le motho wa yena ntsa le teng. Mara eno nya ka batho ba ntse ba le teng. Mara lona so yeah, oh madam, okay, no, I know Mechomi. Yeah, I know Zola Bay. Nagina go dumela mo madam ke emphasize by understand.
Ya ke nana re ke ile ke pila ke.
E monate ne. A wa le bala motho.
Mapara ba ngitsi.
Yeah, le lo ntse mo wa mo le. O ke mfana hao.
Na anyway ba itse ba phela le rata. Ba mene a se motho wa bolela bolela.
Yeah.
So ke shy on sa.
A ke jumpile khala la ere. Yeah.
Ke mo shy ka tlhao.
Yeah.
Mara mo ke hapeletsa hore ke etle mo dilotse so batho ba khona njaja ba nye go mbuka ba khona mbuka ba sa njaje ba njaje ka no social media if out there mo social media then batho ba khona buka ba gore hona gore business I think mera go thing without social media mo na go nga tse.
Yeah, no, that's true, man. No, it's again I'm keep on pushing ke tlo bitsa hape seneng ho sno kreya Metro FM award ho sno kreya Summer award ka Bacardi arena award you know ya tla ke ntho ke wela ngare bona award le sne fitla we come back here tlo sa de hute se re bia award mo ba bona re no Pitori ke le fatshe re shota fela kang
ka lewatle
no thank you so much for coming Mechomi ke sure le no tlo mo ya studio ngo sa ilo spano sa ilo apea you know so yeah no thank you so much for coming keep on pushing and may God bless you may he open more bigger doors for you you know keep on shining we are here le nna ke nyaka yaka plus Calexaris ke nyaka yaka e longore ke na le data man but I re tla ibolela eo I swear. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, this episode was sponsored by Pure Drip, ya LM. So make sure hore la wa kra wana ke potsotsonyana manoka. Chairman ki ke biditse chairman se neng ke ra bona o tseking re no metsi mara. Hey. Kore o nor ha wana nyana wa ra so mara ke gone. I won. So thank you so much for watching guys. Ar kopaneng hape next time ko boditse ke resentse ne ke tlo batlisa. This is just lenka tisa ba 100. This is just the beginning. Ara stop ra subella. Stamp podcast brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia where quality meets creativity. Ar kopaneng hape next time. Oh yeah.